Welcome to DNAXT. We are discussing class B subnetting, and in this video we'll be discussing slash 24. So slash 24 means there are 24 bits that are of your network. Out of 32 bits, 24 bits are of the network and the 8 bits are of your host. Okay, out of 24 bits, 16 bits are the major subnetwork bits as we are talking about class B, and these 8 bits from 16 to 24, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24, these 8 bits are your subnet bits in this case. Okay, so we have 8 subnet bits, 8 host bits and 16 major network bits. Fine. Now the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. How many subnetworks you will get? Where x 2 to the power x, where x is the number of subnetwork bits. So 2 to the power x is 256. 256 subnetworks you are going to get. How many hosts per subnetwork? Again, 2 to the power y, where y are the host bits. We have 8 host bits. So 2 to the power 8, that is 256, and we always subtract two IP addresses from the number of hosts to get actual number of hosts, because one is the network ID, another is the broadcast ID, which we will not be assigning to any of our hosts. Okay, what will be the increment? The formula is 256 minus subnet bit value, and subnet bit value over here is 255 because we have borrowed all the 8 bits of the third octet. So subnet bit value is 255 over here, and hence the increment is of 1 in the third octet. So let's write down. We'll not be writing all 256 subnetworks, but we'll write few of them. So let's write down them. So we will start with 172.16.0.0, 172.16.1.0. Increment is of 1. And in which octet? In the third octet, as we have borrowed the bits from the third octet. Then 172.16.2.0, 172.16.3.0. This will go on till 172.16.255.0. So from 0 to 255, hence we are getting 256 subnetwork. Now let's write down their broadcast ID. First case 172.16 dot third octet, keep it empty for some time. Last octet is of host, so here in the last octet in broadcast ID the value will come as 255, and in the third octet you write the number which is previous to it. So obviously it is 0. 1 का previous number is 0. So 172.16.0.255, मतलब यहाँ पे जो थर्ड ऑक्टेट में नंबर है वही नंबर ब्रॉडकास्ट आईडी में भी आ रहा है, बिकॉज द नेक्स्ट नंबर से आपका नेक्स्ट सब नेटवर्क स्टार्ट हो रहा है. Are you getting this? 172.16.0.255. So in this case, in the second one, it will be 172.16.1.255, 2.255, 3.255. And in the last subnetwork, that is your 256th subnetwork, the value is 172.16.255.0 is your network ID, and 172.16.255.255 is your broadcast ID. As we have discussed कि हमेशा जिस ऑक्टेट में आपका इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है, लास्ट सब नेटवर्क में आपकी सबनेट बीट वैल्यू जो है, subnet beat value that comes in the increment wala octet mein. In increment wala octet, this value will match. Okay, in the last any नेटवर्क के लास्ट सब नेटवर्क। I hope this is clear to all of you. This is all about slash 24. We'll be discussing slash 25 of class B in the next video. So stay tuned with DNXT. Thank you.